If you're an Australian Year 12 student in 2026, here's how you apply for uni through UAC. To get started, head to the UAC website, uac.edu.au. Click the Apply or Login button and select Create Account from the menu. Create an account by entering your personal email address and a password. You'll be emailed a code to verify your email address. Log in and click the Start Domestic Application button. Select your citizenship and the Year 12 option that describes you. Enter your Year 12 student number and 4-digit UAC PIN. It's important you do this because it allows us to match your end-of-year results to your application. It also means you'll be able to apply for the school's recommendation scheme. If you're a New South Wales HSC student or an ACT Senior Secondary Certificate student, we emailed you your 4-digit UAC PIN in April. So enter your NESA or BSSS student number and then the UAC PIN in that email. If you're an IB student or you're studying an Australian Year 12 qualification in another state, enter your student number. Then, for your UAC PIN, use the first 4 digits of your date of birth. For example, if your birthday is 3 October, your UAC PIN will be 0310. Once you've entered your student number and UAC PIN, click Start Application.